Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a Nando's mukbang. Alright, I showed you guys in the previous video of the stuff that I got. So I got lemon and herb whole chicken, chicken Nando's on a Friday, why not? And this is just some of that's left. The kids ate what they wanted for now, so I'm eating my portion, which is a peri-peri chips. They had normal chips and mashed potato, coleslaw, and yeah, the chicken. So I put everything on my plate already, waiting to eat. I'm gonna jump right into eating because I'm starving and I've been working a lot today. Let's put some coleslaw on this baby. I love getting coleslaw. It is vital. Okay, I'm doing it a bit closer today so you guys can see me eat. There we go. So I got a leg and a thigh right here. I don't really eat too much chicken breast because it's too meaty. I like a bit bones sometimes. How are you guys? I got hot sauce if I need some because I always get lemon and herb chicken. I just can't eat anything too spicy. And then for the kids, I don't want to give them spicy food. Let's have some coleslaw. Sorry if my mouth is a mess today. Nando's is too good. So it's a Friday. So that means I'm getting closer to my due date. I'm 34 weeks pregnant today. Baby will be here very soon. I can feel it. Just try and get everything prepared, as you guys know. Oh my. There's some kids screaming outside because there's someone they're playing right now. Oh dear. I don't know what's going on. Anyways, I am super excited because there's a new series that I'm about to watch. It's called Wu Assassin. Right? I saw it on the internet. I was like, oh my gosh, I need to check this out. But I was like, why not do a trailer? So I'm gonna do a reaction video to the trailer today. So look out for that. I had to add some water. I'm craving water these days. Icy stuff, just water, you know. But By the way, if you think I look funny eating, because I'm left-handed, guys, okay? Yeah, but this new show, Netflix, I found it's on any platform you can. I'm not sure if it's on Amazon Prime, but all the setting looks good. So I want to do a reaction to the video. I mean the series. Before I jump into watching it, because I realize it's got like 10 episodes already, so I'm gonna binge watch it. I love a good series. If you guys have any good series or shows, let me know. But because I love karate films, anything to do with kung fu, I'm here for it, okay? Oh my god. Let's get the meat out. Yeah, I'm super excited to see what it's about. I want to find a series that have kung fu in it. Most of the time it's just like different kind of violence, which I'm not really tolerating. I like to watch mystical things or fantasy stuff, but a lot of them are not playing right now. They're all finished, like Stranger Things, Sabrina, even a Siren of the Mermaids. I love it. But they're all finishing, so I've got more reaction videos coming out, movie reactions as well, because I love film. Every day I watch a film or a TV series, so I'm going to be adding that to my channel more. You guys know that I do different things on my channel. I'm not just a one-trick pony. I like to do different things. I got different hobbies like everybody else. So I'm just showing you guys different parts of me and different things I like to do. I like to watch movies, music videos. I like to eat. I love good food. I love good conversations. I like makeup and skincare. You know, talk about my looks, my weight gain, my fitness, self-love, spirituality, all of that. If you guys have ever been on my channel, that's what it's about. Wow, I'm eating a lot today, isn't it? Almost done. I'm not normally a fast chewer or eater, but mukbang's helping me, because when I was growing up, I wasn't allowed to eat fast. My dad used to tell me not to eat fast. You need to chew. You don't drink and eat. Look at me now. You'd be in his grave like, what the hell is this child doing? And she wondered why she gets so full so easily. But yeah, I was trained not to eat fast, and to eat the food, make sure that you're not getting too much liquids in, because that's going to make your belly full. And you know, the more you eat, the more your belly gets full, and you get more, you know, if you know what I mean. You need to chew your food and enjoy it, not swallow it. Well, when you're pregnant or when you're hungry all day, or when the food's so good like Nando's, you can't help it. Meat just comes right off. Wow. Mashed potato and coleslaw from Nando's is so good. This is all I have left. Got a big chicken breast over there. Got a thigh. They got 2 thighs and a chicken breast and a wing. You see, when you get them midnight cravings, that's what I'm going to be doing tonight. I'm going to be eating some Nandos. Okay. My belly looks big, but I know this baby ain't going to be that heavy. But I'll definitely let you guys know if this mukbang thing, my baby come out a big size, because sometimes I can't even walk properly, but that's just because I'm near this stage of delivering. Super excited to see my baby. It's been a long 9 months, or 8-9 months. Pardon me. What's this? That's like skin. Yeah. But I love a good Nando's, guys. Oops. Thank you so much for watching. I only have a little bit of chips left. Let's have a piece of that chicken breast. So juicy and soft. Whoops. Yeah, look out for more videos to come. Oh my god, my belly's full. Do you see what Nando's can do? They make you burp from the soul. That was unexpected, sorry. Because I'm eating, I didn't expect to burp, you know, but expect more videos before the baby comes, as I keep saying, because I'm going to take a little break. Thank God there's no food in my mouth today. I'm going to take a little break, guys, you know, bond with the baby and stuff and just recover. But I'm trying to get all the videos out now, so request anything you want me to do in the meantime. And yeah, this was a good meal. Thank you. Thank you very much for providing me with this meal today. Baby bump is so big. Bye guys, I'll see you in another video. Take care and have a great weekend, and look out for my reaction videos coming very soon. Also on my ASMR channel, I'm gonna have a mochi ice cream eating today as well. So you girls bringing out the videos, baby. You girls bring out the videos. So go over there and subscribe. I'll try and leave a link below for you guys to check it out. But yeah. Yeah, I'll see you guys in the video. I'm so chilled. My belly's so full right now. Bye guys.